Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Pro. Please like, comment and share this video. Isigaxa uyatrenda uSindy Makhathini ngemva kokuthi ayilapha ku-Instagram ayoposta guys ma-pictures akhe ama-flowers la red with ilikhathi guys nemali. And we assume ukuthi lona ngu-Teddy Boy ke sana leli khadi belifunza ngale ndlela things will get to be as beautiful as you are again. We are in this together, all in the end everything will be okay as well. We will be okay ke sana. I do believe, strongly believe ukuthi lona ngu-Teddy Boy the guy she was meshing lo mfana lomncane nje lona 19 lo uyidansa lapha ku-TikTok bekatrenda njengendlela lesimanga ngokuthi ulala nemfana lomncane. Uthi a round of applause for my man ubhale lapha ku-Instagram story yakhe uthi shayelani umuntu wami atandla ke sana. Uthi umuntu wakhe ube naye through thick and thin ke sana, and they are still holding it together ke sana. Uphindze wathi after everything that was said about me, he still decides to stick besides me. Kusho Cindy Makhathini anqoma umuntu wakhe guys. Teddy Boy mfana lo 19 lati jolela naye. We know ukuthi uCindy Makhathini is 25 or 98 and akana mahloni ke sana. Uthi yekelani tindzaba takhe phumani kuye because she was dating older men ben complain, and now she's dating a younger man still niya complain kahle kahle animfunani yeah. Cha guys, talking about true love ke sana, I guess vele umuntu wakho kufuna kulwele nanoma sekunjani. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.